Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fantastic product that caught our attention, the DOKIO 150W Portable Foldable Solar Panel Kit. We've included a link in the description below so you can check out the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is the DOKIO 150W Solar Panel Kit? In essence, it's a compact, lightweight solar charging solution designed for a variety of outdoor and emergency applications. This kit is perfect for anyone looking to harness solar energy, whether you're camping, traveling in an RV, or just need a reliable backup power source. Let's talk about some of the standout features that make this solar panel kit a must-have. First off, its compact design is impressive. When folded, it measures just 19.3 by 20.9 by 1.1 inches and weighs only 7.3 pounds. This makes it incredibly easy to pack, carry, and set up by yourself, which is a huge plus for solo adventurers or those with limited space in their vehicles. Another significant feature is the long 9.8-foot cable. This length allows you to position the solar panel directly in the sunlight while keeping the controller or power station shaded. This not only optimizes the panel's cooling but also enhances safety and flexibility in your setups. Speaking of safety, the DOKIO kit includes a standalone PWM controller for your 12V batteries. This controller comes with full protections such as reverse polarity, overcharge, overload, and short-circuit protection. Plus, it's easy to replace or upgrade later on, giving you peace of mind as you use the product. Now, before you decide to order this kit, it's worth noting that some power stations have a cap on solar input, typically between 60 to 100 watts. While the DOKIO panel can produce up to 150W, you won't exceed that cap due to design limitations. If you're unsure about compatibility with your system, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. One feature that stands out for everyday use is the inclusion of USB ports. You can connect this solar panel directly to a 12V battery to keep your phone or lights charged. Additionally, if you're in a pinch, you can get quick emergency top-ups for your devices directly from sunlight, although the current may vary. The DOKIO panel is built with efficient, weather-resistant monocrystalline cells, which means you get higher conversion efficiency and more usable energy even in low-light conditions. The weather-resistant surface is designed to withstand sun exposure and splashes, but do keep the fabric case away from heavy rain or prolonged exposure to strong sunlight. Now, who is this solar panel kit suitable for? It's perfect for outdoor enthusiasts who enjoy camping or road trips, as well as RV owners who need a reliable power source on the go. It also serves as an excellent solution for emergency preparedness, ensuring you have power when you need it most. In terms of practical use cases, imagine setting up camp in a remote location where traditional power sources are unavailable. With the DOKIO 150W panel, you can easily charge your devices, power lights, or run small appliances, making your outdoor experience more enjoyable and convenient. Whether you're on a weekend getaway or preparing for an emergency situation, this solar panel kit has you covered. In conclusion, the DOKIO 150W Portable Foldable Solar Panel Kit is a well-rounded, practical solution for anyone in need of portable solar power. It's compact, efficient, and perfect for a variety of users and scenarios. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.